Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from Tesla Body. And the title of this article is basically Elon Musk reiterate free Tesla FSD hardware 4 upgrade. So basically, this goes to all the customer who bought the full self-driving and is in the version hardware 3. They will do the upgrade for free, right? And which is good news. There's a majority of us with the FSD hardware 3.3, which is I'm included myself. So here it goes. Customer who bought Tesla full self-driving will get free upgrades from the hardware 3 to hardware 4. Elon Musk reiterated the free upgrades at a recent earnings call, which is like yesterday. A retail investor submitted a question to Tesla about hardware 3 in the company's Q4 and full year 2024 earnings call. The questions: is it expected that Tesla will need to upgrade the hardware 3 vehicles? And if so, what is the timeline and expected impact on Tesla CapEx? I think they're referring to the cost there. Elon Musk responded to the questions honestly and reiterated that Tesla will provide free upgrade to FSD users. I think the honest answer is that we're going to have to upgrade people's hardware 3 computers for those who have bought the full self-driving. And that is the honest answer, and that's going to be painful and difficult, but we'll get it done. Now, I'm kind of glad that not many people bought FSD package, Musk replied. Tesla Chief Financial Officer Via Blah Teneja added that the company hasn't stopped working on hardware 3. He commented that Tesla still releases software for hardware 3. We released the 12.6 released recently, which was like a baby V13, but it's a significant improvement compared to what they had previously. Right now, I have the 12.5.4, and I'm subscribing to the monthly subscriptions, and I still haven't received anything. People are still finding ways to distill larger models in these smaller models, so we're not giving up on the hardware. We're still working on it. Just wait. Just will trail the hardware 4 releases, the Tesla CFO. So that is really good news for the user with the hardware 3, because before that, Elon said it was very difficult and it was undoable, but I guess now they can do it, or maybe they just give out like another FSD transfer to get a newer car, maybe, who knows, but this is very good news. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like to buy a Tesla, you can also use my referral code for up to $2,000 off. Other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.